Okay, good morning students. So we will start the 12th physics, 12th class physics. The first chapter is electrostatics. So we will discuss the total of physics in all in the class 12. So in class 12 we know in total there are in class 12 in total there are 15 chapters. So we will briefly know about these chapters, and I will first come into the electrostatics. The first chapter is electrostatics, in which we will deal with the charges which are at rest. Second chapter, which is electric potential. Electric potential. In third chapter, electric potential, we will discuss about how we will take one charge from infinity to a point within the source charge, and discuss about capacitors and their properties. In third, we will discuss about current and electricity. Current and electricity, where we will know when the charges are in motion, then its behavior we will study. Then magnetic effect of electric current. This is the fourth chapter. Magnetic effect of electric current. This is my fourth chapter. And in the fifth one, we will discuss about the magnetism. In the fifth chapter, we will discuss about magnetism. And in sixth we will discuss about the alternating current. Alternating current. In seventh, I will discuss about electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. So this covers the first part, which is the NCERT based and all the board examination. This first part you will cover in the 12th class. And in second part, we will study in details. In second part, we will study in details about optics. First is ray optics. This is my 8th number. Ray optics. Second is wave optics. Wave optics. Next, dual nature of radiation. Dual nature of radiation. And 11th number topic is my atomic physics. 12th is nuclear physics. And 13th is my semiconductor. Semiconductor devices. And in 14th is communication system. 14th is electronics. Electronics gate, logic gate. And my 15th one is communication system. So this is our chapter overview on the class 12. Now we'll first start with electrostatics. So electrostatics. What do you mean by electrostatic? Electrostatics क्या होता है? Now, it is the study of the charged particle. Charged particles which are at rest. Which are at rest. So obviously it is a branch of physics. It is a branch of physics. Okay, we study the charge of particles which are at rest. Okay, Now we know there are two types of charges. There are two types of charges. The first charges is for positive charges. Positive charges. And my second one, positive charges, is proton. Whose charge is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And the next is negative charges. Negative charges. The negative charges is electron. Okay. Electron, what is the charge of electron? This is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. So there are two basic type of charges, that is positive charges proton and negative charges electron. And there are no such charges. There are no such charge like neutron. Charge like neutron. Because we know neutron is a chargeless particle. So it is chargeless. Neutron, why neutron is chargeless? Because neutron have no charge. Okay. So charged particle, jodi we go into basics, what are the charged particle? So we will deal with only protons and electron. If the body have excess of protons or excess of electron, then we will say the body is charged. So we will study some basic properties of the charges. The basic properties of charges. Basic properties of charges. So at first, basic properties of charges, additivity of charges, additive nature of charges. Additive nature of charges. So what is additive nature of charges? Suppose I have 10 electron and I want to add with 12 proton. So I will write this charge as minus 10 electron plus 12. So I will get as plus 2. Plus 2 means 2 proton. Okay. Plus means proton, minus means electron. And if I want to add 2 electron, 12 electron plus 10 proton, 8 proton, I will get 12, this means minus, plus 8, this means plus, then I will get minus 4. So this is 4 electron. So this is the additive nature of the charges. Second property I will deal, this is quantization of the charges. Second property is what? Quantization of charges. Quantization of charges. Now quantization of charges, it tells the charge of a system. Charge of a system is the smallest possible, the smallest multiple of the charge, that is the charge of electron. That is charge of the electron. Charge of electron. So we say Q is equal to plus minus N, where N can take plus minus 1, plus minus 2, integers value, and electron charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. So this is our quantization of charges. And its third properties, this is conservation of charges. Third properties tells about conservation of charges. So conservation of charges tells conservation of charges. The total charge of the system remains conserved. This says the total charges of the system. Total charges of system remain constant. So I will give an example, you will understand it. So what is my example? So one proton is decaying 1 neutron. Now proton charge, what is the charge of proton? 1. So plus 1. So electron ka charge 0 plus 1 plus 1 anti 1 neutrino. Okay, the neutrino ka charge 0. So here I will get 0, here 0, here 1. So I will get the atomic number here. Atomic number is 1. Here 1 plus 0 plus 0. Atomic number is conserved. Then charge देखो इधर है 1, इधर 0, इधर plus 1, इधर 0. So charge conservation हम rule apply करेंगे. Charge conservation. Then I will observe plus 1 in left hand side and 0 plus 1 plus 0 in right, that is plus 1. So left hand side में plus 1, right hand side में plus 1. So charge is conserved. That is charge on LHS is equal to charge on RHS. Charge on RHS. So the charges obeys the law of conservation. Okay, so charges are nature of conservation of charges. So in the next class I will discuss about the other properties. Okay, then I will go to the Coulomb's law. Okay, thank you everyone.